Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make the hotel shape and hotel facade in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we can make and explore about the podium. We can make the podium it's more to be more attractive and more impressive. Okay, this is about the basic shape. Then now we can click and push it to another side in here. Okay, with any size. Okay, and I will show you about the floor plan of this unit hotel. So there is a several unit of this hotel, and this is about the emergency exit, and this is about the services area like elevator, panel room in here, and this is about the emergency exit, and this is about the additional room in here. Okay, and this is about the unit floor plan layout. Okay, and this is about the plumbing for the shaft plumbing for the every single for the piping for every single floor and every single unit anyway. Okay, then this is about the rooftop in here. This is for the elevator and panel room. This is emergency exit, and this is also emergency exit in here. Okay, and then we can continue to make the podium. We can click and push it to another side in here with any size in here. We can make as proportional as possible in here. Now we can make the rectangle and just place. Then now we can just place to the position in here. Okay, and after that now we can right click and also make component, and then we can just create. Okay, then now we can select move, tap control, then just click and just place the position in here. Okay, now we can make it more impressive. We can place the vertical in here and select the vertical and select a move and just place on the position in here, just like this. Okay, now we can make the some podium area in here, and okay, maybe we can just make this one. We can cut this one. Sorry. Okay, we can make this one on the position and just click and push it down until to the limit in here. And okay, now we can place the diagonal line in here and push it down until the position also in here. Okay, so this is about the basic shaping. Okay, then now we can triple click. You can just click the line in here, click the line, and just click the line, and click and offset it inside in here. And sorry, we can click the line in again in here, and also click the line. We have to click for one by one, the line one by one in here. Okay, then now we can offset it inside this a little bit, right, like 20 millimeter in here. And now we can just click and select edit, copy, and exit from the group and edit, and also paste in place in here. Okay, then now we can select a push pull and push it up until to the position in here, and we can triple click and make group. Okay, now we can assign about the materials just like this. Okay, then now we can triple click and just click this vertical line and select move, tap control, and we can just place type 9/ and enter in here. Okay, then we can click and select move, tap control, and just place type 3/ and enter in here. Okay, and we can select the vertical line and select move and just place type 6/ and enter in here. Okay, then we can click and select move, tap control, and just place type 5/ and enter. And also this one, select move and also place and type 4/ and enter in here. Okay, so this is about the basic shape. Okay, now we can explore about this hotel facade in here. This is still basic and still simple, but now we can make it to be more attractive. Okay, now we can make the another side of this one. Can just make the shaping in here. Okay, on the position. Okay, then we can click and push it to the front in here and just place, make the rectangle, and we can push it until to the another position in here. Okay, and then so this is about the setup, about the basic setup in here. And we can make the line in here, and we can just click this line and select a move. Okay, now we can just make this movement in here. Sorry, we can select move, tap control. Okay, now we can just place this one in here. Okay, and okay, now we can triple click and make group in here, or now we can make the another void in here. We can make the void and just click and push it until to the limit in here, and okay, just like this, and after that now we can make the another something in here, another interesting things. We can make the action. Okay, and double click and make group in here. Okay, and don't forget to right click and make component, and then just create. Okay, then now we can select move, take control and just place, type x6 and enter in here, and it will be generated automatically over there in here. Okay, now we can determine what the another color in here. Okay, we can select the color, and maybe we can just add the additional color in here. We can select the accent. Okay, this is about the accent, and assign about the coloring of the accent in here first, and now we can determine about the color. Okay, we can determine about the color, and now we can set up about the saturation level. Okay, we can set up about the saturation level, and we can add more accent color. Okay, we can just adjust this one, and okay, now we can select the line in here and select move, tap control and just place, type 8 slash and enter in here. Okay, select all and edit, cut. Okay, enter the group, edit, and also place in place. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can make the horizontal line and select move, tap control and just place, type 5 slash and enter in here. Okay, and now we can edit, cut. Okay, enter the group in here, and then now we can edit and just place in here, and erase some additional line. Sorry, we can erase the extra line in here. Okay, this one, so we have to erase about the void line over there. We can erase the void line. We can erase the void line in here, and also the position in here. Okay, and maybe we can also make some action in here. We can also make some action on the position in here. Okay, we can offset it inside. Okay, my group, and then now we can adjust with the action over there, and okay, we can assign. Okay, we can make it more dark than before, and okay, we can make the rectangle over there and push it to the front, and make group. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now we can select a move, tap control and just place to the position in here, and okay, maybe we can just make the another something in here. We can make the another something over there. Click and push it to the front in here. Okay, now we can select the 2-point arc. Okay, and push it until the limit in here. Okay, but I think it's too large in here. It's too large, so we have to move. Okay, so it will be the design like this. Now we can add the room color in here, or maybe wall paint. Okay, it's look like wall paint in here. Okay, but we have to adjust again about the color in here to make it more representative, maybe just like this. And okay, and after that now we can determine about the drop off. Okay, we can just make the drop off area in here, and can select the line, and okay, we can move on the position in here. Okay, select move. Okay, in the position, double click and make group in here, and now we can add the canopy over there, and just click and push it to the front until to be the position in here, and push it to limit in here. Make group. Okay, now we can also offset it inside in here, and click and select move, and push it down until to the limit in here. Okay, and now we can determine about the landscaping. Okay, make group and select the landscaping. You can select the landscaping in here, and okay, can select the concrete. Okay, select this. Okay, now we can make the grazing, sorry, the landscape and also grazing in here. Okay. Okay, we can adjust this one. Okay, make group, and we can also assign with the asphalt materials over there. Okay, we can make the some grazing over there in here. Sorry, to be great landscape over there. And okay, I think just like this, or maybe we can add more the things in here. Okay, we can offset it inside a little bit in here, and assign with the cladding. Sorry. Okay, we can make unique and adjust about the cladding position, and we can draw the railing, the glass railing in here. Okay, with any thickness. Okay, we can draw. With any thickness, and on this position especially, and anyway, it's depend on you. You can make it more. Okay, it's depend on you. You can add the things in here or not. Okay, and now I will put the another things like outdoor dining table over there. Okay, and I will put the silhouette people, okay, on this position, and the car for the or making the representative situation, and also the tree, and move. And just place it the position, and it's done. And then now we can activate the body shadow, and okay, this is about the final result. So you can explore more about this one. It's just basic. It's depend on you. You can explore more to make it more representative enough. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.